No.
I've just been watching it on the winter before. Alan, do you want some cheese and crackers?
Ooh, yes, please.
I think just have one of these cats.
Shut up,
Do you
you.
want some, Madge?
I don't have crackers.
Don't get the tough ones, they're lovely.
No, I like
No.
them.
Sort your teas about 5:30.
Yeah. My baby's
Do you
real.
like pickled onions, Alan?
No, thank you. My babies really need to go home. Go where?
I know you really do need to go home, don't you?
Yeah, especially with him, Collier being such an old boy now.
Hey, Shipney. Why, you don't like going home then? That's what worries me.
Sober's nose is still swollen as well.
Wasn't that one homeless?
He was at one point.
Mm.
This little lady used to have a home, then she was stray for a while, now she's got a home again. But she's not a spring chicken anymore. I think she's closing in on 8 now. Because we're closing in on 8 years here now, aren't we?